Hi guys, welcome back to our class. I hope you enjoy your vacations, but now it's time to work. I'm going to be your teacher. My name is Lenin. Some of you already know me. I don't know if there's new students, but I'm very glad to be here and to be your teacher. So, welcome back. First of all, today we're going to be today's date. Uh, Today is January 18th, 2021. In today's topic, we're going to discuss or to talk about natural disasters. For example, we have some of them in the pictures. We have the earthquake when the earth is shaking, the volcano. It's when we see the lava, the hurricane, that are storms and rain, and the tornado. The storm that is air. So those are some of them. So natural disasters are disasters that are caused por natural causes. Son desastres que son hechos por causas naturales. Nothing to do with us. No tiene nada que ver con nosotros. It's not like the pandemic that we are having. No es como la pandemia de COVID. It's natural. So we're going to see some of them. We're going to learn about the tsunami. The tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion. So, the tsunami is a wave, es una ola caused by an earthquake, un temblor, or a volcanic explosion. As we can see, in the picture we see that it covers all of it, cubre todo, and we're going to see a video about it. Can you imagine that big of the wave that covers all the beach and toda la playa? Look at that!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Woo!
They call everything.
So that's the tsunami. Let's see the other ones. Right here we have the volcano eruption. As a volcano erupts, it spills lava. Es cuando el volcán suelta lava. Let's see some of the videos that we have. It starts with explosion, like that. Yeah, as you can see, the smoke, and then we see the lava. It's like a river, es como un río. The volcano eruption. So that's the volcano eruption. The forest fire. Forest fires are large uncontrolled fires that take place in the forest. Son fuegos de fire, massive fires, son fuegos masivos que no pueden ser controlados. For example, we have this picture and we have some videos.
Eso, boom, boom, boom.
All of that is fire. Todo el video.
Houses are right next to the ocean.
It's enormous.
To the left is Bel Air. To the right is Brentwood.
Look Look at that. Look at that. It's very scary. Sometimes we have some of them in Ensenada, but are not so big like that ones. Those are big, but not that massive. And let's continue. We have that tornado. A tornado is a type of storm in which powerful rotation winds form a column like this. So let's see some of those examples. Look at that, it's enormous.
Hell, mouse.
Wow, impressive. Those are big. Then we have the flood. The flood is a rise of water with no place to go. It's when you have the water right here in your own home. This is usually caused by the tsunamis. Son lo que ocasionan los tsunamis, las inundaciones. Let's see, here's a time lapse on how the flood. You can see the water over here, and it starts. The room starts getting with water. Se está llenando de agua. You can see that. Look at that. Cómo se llena de agua. Impressive. And the earthquake. I think this is the more scary one. El que más miedo me da a mí. An earthquake are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the earth's surface. So let's see some videos. Inside of a house in the earthquake in Mexico City. Let me just get to the part when you can see the whole building going down. Yeah, that's true. Es verdad, todo eso es verdad. A building can go down like that.
Sí, no, ya sé. Güey, nos salimos del Conde. Ah, exacto, güey. Sí.
This is in Mexico City. It's the recent one in 2017. Fue en el 2017 todo esto. Look how the buildings are shaking.
Vamos a ver.
Here you can see how the building is moving like this. Yeah, impressive, right? So, well, I think these are all of them. Son todos los desastres naturales que vamos a ver. Now you're going to do a little work. First, the first activity is a letter soup, where you're going to look for the words earthquake, flood, forest fire, tornado, tsunami, and volcano eruption. I can help you with one of them. Here is volcano eruption. Right here. Okay, that's the only one. You're going to look for the others. then the second activity is to match the pictures with the correct name of the disaster. For example, number 1. What is number 1? I see the picture and I think it's it's a flood, because you can see that and there is water over the town. Ves agua en toda la ciudad. So number 1 is flood, and that's the only one that I'm going to help you. The third one is to put the name of the disasters in the line. For example, is the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the Earth's surface? It's the earthquake. Here goes earthquake. And the fourth activity is that you are going to draw in the square the disaster that you found more interesting. El desastre natural que encontraron muy interesante o que les llamó más la atención. And that will be all for today. Don't forget to take a picture of your work and send it to me, please. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow in the class.